Welcome to Tech AI and Beyond, where we explore the forefront of technology and innovation. Today, we embark on a fascinating journey into the realm of quantum computing, a field that promises to revolutionize the way we process information and solve complex problems.
Over the next 10 episodes, we will delve into the principles of quantum mechanics relevant to computing, explore how quantum computers work, and understand why they differ from classical ones. By the end of this series, you'll be able to apply quantum gates and algorithms to solve basic problems, and even use real quantum computing platforms like IBM Q.
In Episode 1, Classical versus Quantum Computing, we'll start by understanding the limitations of classical computing and why we need quantum computing. We'll explore what quantum computing is, the difference between quantum and classical bits, and provide an overview of applications in cryptography, search, optimization, and chemistry. We'll also discuss quantum supremacy and the milestones achieved so far.
In Episode 2, Basic Concepts in Quantum Mechanics, will take us into the fundamental physics behind quantum computing. We'll learn about qubits and superposition, measurement and probability, quantum entanglement, and the uncertainty principle. We'll also introduce the block sphere as a way to visualize qubits.
In Episode 3, Quantum Gates and Circuits, we'll dive into how computation happens in a quantum system. We'll cover quantum gates like X, Y, Z, H, S, T, and C0, explore multi-qubit systems and tensor products, and discuss circuit construction and measurement. We'll also touch on reversible computing and the quantum equivalence of classical logic gates.
In Episode 4, Quantum Algorithms 1 and 2, we'll explore problem solving using quantum speedup. We'll introduce Deutsch's algorithm to understand quantum parallelism and Grover's algorithm for quantum search. We'll also discuss the concept of oracles and look at circuit diagrams and simulations.
In Episode 5, Quantum Algorithms 2, Shor and QFT, we'll dive into quantum algorithms for factoring and transformation. We'll provide an overview of Shor's algorithm and its implications for cryptography, and explore the quantum Fourier transform.
In Episode 6, Quantum Programming with Qiskit, we'll focus on learning real coding skills with IBM's Quantum SDK. We'll cover the basics of Qiskit, including quantum circuit, transpile, and execute. We'll also visualize states and gates and run circuits on both simulators and real quantum hardware.
In Episode 7, Noise, Decoherence, and Quantum Error Correction, we'll discuss the practical limitations of quantum computing. We'll explore the sources and types of quantum noise, decoherence time, gate fidelity, and the principles of quantum error correction, QEC. We'll also introduce the basics of the surface code and NISQ, noisy intermediate scale devices.
In Episode 8, Quantum Cryptography and Communication, we'll explore how quantum mechanics improves data security. We'll cover quantum key distribution, KQD, with the 884 protocol, quantum teleportation, and the vision of a quantum internet. We'll also compare quantum security with classical encryption.
In Episode 9, Applications and Industry Trends, we'll look at how quantum computing is applied today. We'll discuss quantum chemistry and physics simulations, optimization problems in logistics and finance, and the intersection of AI and ML with quantum systems. We'll also highlight companies and platforms like IBM, Google, D-Wave, IonQ, and Rigetti, and explore different hardware types like superconducting, photonic, and trapped ions.
Finally, in Episode 10, Future of Quantum Computing, we'll reflect on the key topics covered and look ahead to the future. We'll discuss the challenges in scaling quantum computers, future job opportunities, research directions, and ethical implications. We'll also compare quantum and post-quantum cryptography.
So join us on this thrilling journey through the world of quantum computing. Whether you're a student, tech enthusiast, or just curious about the technologies that power our daily lives, this series is for you.
Subscribe to our channel and stay tuned. This is Tech, AI, and Beyond, and we've got a lot to unpack.
Thank you, and see you next time.